Hi, I'm Swapnil Bhatkar. I recently graduated from New York University. I was working with the NYU IT high performance computing team. I'm really interested in cloud computing and machine learning. So, today I'm going to show you a short demo of a conversational chatbot that can be used to book different types of rooms at the NYU Dibner Library. I will explain the process step by step. I will try my best not to use too many technical jargons and make it easier for the non technical audience. For any machine learning project, you first build your model, then you train your dataset. More the data, higher the accuracy. Afterwards, you test your model to validate certain parameters, and finally, you deploy your model into the production environment. So, first, the user will give an input in the form of a text or a speech. Here, the main intent is to book a room. In return, the Dibner chatbot will ask for certain details such as my name, net ID, and time. In the second scenario, the Dibner chatbot is powered by Amazon Lex and Amazon Polly. I have used Amazon Lex to build and test conversational interfaces using voice and text, and Amazon Polly to convert text to speech using advanced deep learning techniques. Now, my chatbot will trigger the AWS Lambda function where I wrote the business logic of my application. It will validate my input such as my name and net ID to check whether I exist in the NYU database. It will also look and scan the library calendar to look for rooms that are available at my specified time and date. Now, the chatbot will then return to the user and ask for the confirmation. At the end of the session, a confirmation email will be sent to the user. Now let's move on to the deployment stage. I have integrated my chatbot with Amazon Connect. Basically, Amazon Connect is a cloud-based call center where a virtual agent can answer your queries or perform basic actions. You just need to make a call and within a minute your room is booked. Since Amazon is providing a highly scalable telecommunication infrastructure, you don't have to wait in line for a human agent to answer your call. The main point to highlight here is you don't require an active internet connection or a web interface to perform your task. You can also deploy your chatbot in any messaging platform such as Facebook Messenger, Slack, or Twilio. I personally prefer Slack because of its high collaborative features at the enterprise level. Now I will show you a demo of my chatbot, but before that I need to go to the AWS console and navigate to the Amazon Lex platform. Here the utterance means the initial request that you are going to make. Down here you can type or you can click on this microphone icon to directly speak with your chatbot. Now let's begin the demo. Hey, I would like to book a room at the NYU Dibner Library.
What type of room would you like to book?
I would like to book an individual study room.
By what name should I book your individual study room?
You can call me Steve.
Please specify your NYU net ID.
SSB 536.
On what date should I book your individual study room?
7th of July.
At what time do you want to schedule the individual study room?
7 p.m.
I'm sorry. The time you have specified goes beyond our hours of operation. Can you please try something earlier?
How about 5 p.m.?
At what time would you like to wrap up?
I will be done by 6 p.m.
Based on your specified date and time, room number 434 is available. Should I go ahead and book your individual study room?
Yes.
Thank you, Steve, for using NYU Debner Chatbot. Your request for individual study room on July 7, 2019 from 1700 hours to 1800 hours is approved.
As I already mentioned, you can talk to a virtual agent by dialing a toll-free number. This method is quite helpful for users in case of emergency and when you don't have access to the internet. From an organizational standpoint, it's really beneficial for small businesses and enterprises who don't have sufficient budget to hire and train customer support teams. Now let's move on to the demo. Now I will call the customer service line that I have used for this project. Basically, all users can directly dial into this number to book their rooms. It's 629-209-3161. It's a toll-free number.
Hello. Thank you for calling NYU Dibner Service Desk. How can I assist you today?
I would like to book a room at the NYU Dibner Library.
What type of room would you like to book?
Group study room.
By what name should I book your group study room?
My name is Mike.
Please specify your NYU Net ID.
SSB 536.
On what date should I book your group study room?
8th of July.
At what time on July 8th, 2018?
12 p.m.
At what time would you like to wrap up?
I will be done by 4 p.m.
Based on your specified date and time, room number 335 is available. Should I go ahead and book your group study room?
Yes.
Thank you, Mike, for using NYU Dibner chatbot. Your request for group study room from 12 o'clock to 1600 hours is approved.
To integrate your chatbot with Slack, you can use the Slack APIs. You can then publish your bot to your workplace account. Now let's see how it works. First, I will go to my workplace, then Dibner chatbot. This is my interface. I will say I would like to book a room at the NYU Dibner Library. Conference room. Swapnil Bhatkar. I'll specify my net ID. I'll just say 7th of July. 2 p.m. I'll say I'll be there till 3 p.m. Wow. Okay, thanks. Great, it's done. This was just a prototype. I'm sure we can make advancements by writing more and more test cases to improve the functionalities of this chatbot, and then finally we can deploy it to the real world. So that's it for today. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you.